Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Feeling like you're constantly drowning in bills and never have enough left over for the things you actually enjoy? We've all been there. But what if there was a simple, straightforward way to take control of your finances and finally achieve financial peace of mind? Introducing the 50/30/20 budgeting rule. This powerful strategy isn't just another boring financial jargon. It's a game changer that can help anyone, regardless of income level, master their money. In this video, we'll break down the 50/30/20 rule step by step, show you how to easily implement it in your life, and share pro tips to maximize your success. So, are you ready to ditch the financial stress and unlock your financial freedom? Stick around, because this video is about to become your ultimate guide to budgeting mastery. What is the 50/30/20 rule? The 50/30/20 rule is a straightforward budgeting framework that divides your after-tax income into three categories. 50% needs. This category covers your essential expenses, the things you must have to survive and maintain a decent quality of life. Examples include rent or mortgage payments, groceries, utilities, transportation costs, minimum debt payments, and healthcare. 30% wants. This category encompasses your discretionary spending, the things you enjoy but don't necessarily need. This can include dining out, entertainment, hobbies, subscriptions, and vacations. 20% savings. This category is crucial for your financial future. It includes money allocated towards building an emergency fund, saving for retirement, paying off debt beyond minimum payments, or investing in your goals. Why does the 50/30/20 rule work? The beauty of the 50/30/20 rule lies in its simplicity and flexibility. It provides a clear structure for allocating your income while allowing for individual customization. Here are some key benefits. Prioritizes essential expenses. By allocating 50% to needs, you ensure your basic necessities are covered before anything else. Promotes mindful spending. The 30% allocated for wants encourages conscious spending on non-essentials, helping you avoid unnecessary splurges. Boosts savings and debt repayment. The dedicated 20% for savings helps you build financial security for emergencies, retirement, or achieving your goals. Easy to understand and implement, the clear breakdown into three categories makes it accessible for anyone, regardless of their financial background. Adaptable to your circumstances. While the percentages serve as a guideline, you can adjust them slightly to fit your unique situation and financial goals. Getting started with the 50/30/20 rule. Ready to take control of your finances with the 50/30/20 rule? Here's how to get started. Calculate your after-tax income. This is your monthly income minus taxes and any deductions. Categorize your expenses. Track your spending for a month to understand where your money goes. Categorize your expenses as needs, wants, and savings. Allocate your income. Based on your after-tax income and the 50/30/20 rule, determine how much you should allocate to each category. Track your progress. Regularly monitor your spending and adjust your budget as needed. Utilize budgeting apps or spreadsheets to simplify tracking. Tips for success with the 50/30/20 rule. Be honest with yourself. Accurately track your spending to identify areas where you can cut back. Automate your finances. Set up automatic transfers to savings and bill payments to stay on track. Embrace flexibility. The 50/30/20 rule is a guide, not a rigid rule. Adjust the percentages as needed based on your circumstances and goals. Celebrate your progress. Acknowledge and reward yourself for achieving your budgeting milestones. So there you have it. The 50/30/20 rule, your simple yet powerful roadmap to financial freedom. Remember, consistency is key. By sticking to the plan and adjusting as needed, you can finally ditch the financial stress and unlock your full financial potential. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more money-saving tips and tricks. And if you found this video helpful, leave a comment below and share your financial goals with the community. Let's all support each other on our journey to financial mastery.